EasyPianoOnline. Today we will learn Grieg's Piano Concerto in A minor. Today we will learn the first part, so let's begin with the right hand. Right hand plays the triad C, E, G fingers 1, 2, and 5. Then we play fifth finger on A, fourth on G sharp, second finger on E, fifth is on E, third is on C, first is on A, fourth repeats the A, third is on G sharp, first is on E, then fourth repeats the E with fourth finger, second is on C, left hand will continue from there. Now the right hand plays again C, E, A fingers 1, 2, and 5. Then another chord, G sharp, B, and E. Then we have D, F, and A, and E, G sharp, and B. That was the intro. Now we will move on to the first main theme. First finger plays E, second is on F, third is on G, second is on F, first is on E. Again E, second is on F, repeat the F, third is on G, and first finger is on E. For the first video we will stop here. The rest of the concerto will be in the next part. Now let's look at the left hand. Left hand has A, C, and E fingers 5, 3, and 1. Then we have E, G sharp, and B. Now we have A, C, and E. And back again to E, G sharp, and B. First finger plays A. Then A again. Second is on G sharp. Fourth is on E. Third is on F. Second is on G sharp. Now we have A and C fingers 2 and 1. Repeats A and C 2 more times. 1 and again. Moving down to A. Then A and C again. And one more time. Fifth finger moves down back to A. Now let's try to combine hands together slowly. Right hand begins, fingers 1, 2, and 5 on notes C, E, and A. Left hand is ready to come in on A, C, and G, fingers 5, 3, and 1. Left hand. Then right, A, G sharp, E. Left hand plays E, G sharp, and B. Right hand fifth finger is on E, third is on C, first is on A. Left hand moves down to A, C, and E. Right hand fourth is on A, third is on G sharp, first is on E, Left hand plays E, G sharp and B. Right hand fourth is on E. Second is on C. Left hand comes in with first finger on A. Right hand adds C, E and A on top. Continue with the left. First is on A. Second is on G sharp. Fourth is on E. Right hand plays G sharp, B and E, fingers 1, 2 and 5. Left hand third is on F. Right hand is D, F and A. Left hand second finger on G sharp. Right hand E, G sharp and B. Now for the theme. Left hand plays A and C, fingers 2 and 1. Right hand plays E with first finger. Right hand second is on F. Third is on G. Together. Left hand moves down to A. Now again, left hand A and C, fingers 2 and 1. Right hand first finger is on E. Right hand second is on F. Again F. Third is on G. And together left hand A and C, right hand first is on E. Left hand moves down to A. This is it for the first part. Please subscribe and check the website for part 2.